This is homework number 8, problem 12. We have an equation to solve. The ln of 5x plus 1 is equal to 3. Alright, well, we're going to have to figure out some way to undo this ln function. And in problem 9 we realize that the ln of e, taking the ln of e undoes this operation. Well, the vice versa is also true. If I can change this logarithmic function to an exponential one, it'll be solvable. So that's exactly what we're going to do. But before we do it, I want to remind you that ln means log base e. ln means log base e. So I'm going to rewrite the equation as log base e of this answer will make this exponent. Remember how we label all these things before we change from one equation form to another? This is my base. This is the exponent. And what's in here is our answer once it's an exponential form. So let's change this. Remember, you've got that in your notes packet. Get the notes packet out if you've forgotten all about these changes of forms. I'm going to grab mine and remind you where that is quick. I'm talking about this page. And we're going from this form to this form. So we're going to write our base to the exponent. Our base is e. Our exponent is 3 equals whatever was inside the parentheses, our answer. And in this case it was 5x plus 1. Okay? Now, e to the third power is actually a number. Remember, e is that special exponential number. It's about 2.71. And it's a function on my calculator also. So I have a key for e. Mine is e to the x. It's right here in yellow, hard to see. Hopefully you know where that is on your calculator. If not, ask me in class. So I'm going to have to press my function key, my second key, and now I can see e to the x in my calculator. I'm raising e to the third power and getting my answer. And I get approximately 20.085, let's bring another 5 with, equals 5x plus 1. Alright, we're going to need to do some rounding eventually. We just did. And now I have an equation to solve. This is some perfectly good number equals 5x plus 1. You know how to solve these. I need to get x alone. Go to the busy side. Get rid of anything added or subtracted first by doing the opposite. So I'm going to subtract 1 from each side. And I get 19 point all that garbage on this side. And I get 5x on this side. So I haven't got x alone, but by dividing both sides by 5, I'll divide off that 5 that's being multiplied by the x. And now I pick up my calculator. Now if I didn't clear it, oh I did. Let's go back and get it. I still got that value in my calculator, that 20 point something something. And if I take the 1 away, now I've got the 19 point something something. It's nice to use the exact number if you can. But anyway, I'm at the point where dividing that, I want to divide that number by 5. So either you can retype it in, 19.0855, be as accurate as you can, use lots of digits. And when I divide it by 5, I get about 3.817. Which, as it turns out, is our answer. So what's it mean? It means that if I go up here, back to my equation, and I put 3.817 where x is, times it by 1, and then take the ln of that number, I should get 3. I won't get exactly 3 because I had to round this number, but it should be very close to 3.